Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to master the use of demonstratives in Norwegian. One notable feature of Norwegian is the use of demonstrative pronouns that refers to specific objects or individuals. In our discussion today, we will provide a short guide on how to use demonstratives in Norwegian effectively. Significance of demonstratives. Demonstratives are linguistic tools that identify specific entities within a spatial or temporal context. They are pivotal or important in enhancing the clarity of a speaker's intention. English speakers are familiar with the basic demonstrative this, that, these, and those. In Norwegian, the demonstratives vary depending on the gender of the noun they refer to. Norwegian categorizes nouns into three genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Demonstratives in Norwegian. The Norwegian equivalent for this and these are denne, denne, and disse, disse. That and those are den and den, de for singular nouns, and de, de, de for plural nouns. Denne, denne. This demonstrative is utilized for singular nouns of feminine or masculine gender. For instance, denne boka, denne boka, denne boka, this book. Denne stolen, denne stolen, denne stolen, this chair. And denne bilen, denne bilen, denne bilen, this car. A sentence could be denne boka er veldig interessant. Denne boka er veldig interessant. Denne boka er veldig interessant. This book is very interesting. Dette, dette. This demonstrative is used for singular nouns of neuter gender. For example, dette huset, dette huset, dette huset, this house. Or dette flyet, dette flyet, dette flyet, this airplane. You could say dette huset er veldig stort. Dette huset er veldig stort. Dette huset er veldig stort. This house is very big. Disse, these. This demonstrative is used with plural nouns close to you in distance, no matter what gender of the noun is. Examples include disse bøkene, disse bøkene, disse bøkene, these books. Disse stolene, disse stolene, disse stolene, these chairs. And disse eplene, disse eplene, disse eplene, these apples. An example sentence is disse eplene er søte, disse eplene er søte, disse eplene er søte, these apples are sweet. Den, that. This is used with a singular masculine and feminine nouns that are further away. For instance, den boken, den boken, den boken, that book. And den stolen, den stolen, den stolen, that chair. A possible sentence is kan du gi meg den boken? Kan du gi meg den boken? Kan du gi meg den boken? Can you give me that book? Det, that. This is used with singular neuter nouns that are further away. For instance, det eple, det eple, det eple, that apple. You might say, det eple er mitt, det eple er mitt, det eple er mitt, that apple is mine. De, those. This is used for plural noun to no matter what the gender of the noun is. Examples include de bøkene, de bøkene, de bøkene, those books, de stolene, de stolene, de stolene, those chairs, and de eplene, de eplene, de eplene, those apples. A sentence could be De stolene er ubehagelige. De stolene er ubehagelige. De stolene er ubehagelige. Those chairs are uncomfortable. Correctly using Norwegian demonstratives is vital in mastering the language and ensuring clear and precise communication. As with every aspect of language learning, practice is essential for gaining proficiency. Therefore, integrating these demonstratives into your daily conversation or written communication will help you gain fluency in Norwegian. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.